Hi, and welcome to Blank Pages. I have a double page kit ready to go. It's by Patricia Monk and was so much fun to work through. Check out the description for more details on Pat's Creative Solutions. Let's get started with page 1. And that's page 1 done. I did add a pocket behind the frame for some extra photos and journaling. Also this little cone sleeve to make the page a bit more personal. So now for page 2. And that's it for page 2. I did swap out the pink tag and frame for green, but only because I felt it suited my photos better. And here's the double page ready to go into my album. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and comment now.